What is up, brothers? It is good to see you again. I got sick and tired of not making these videos, so here I am, and I'm back, bros. So, today's video is Ichigo Ichi, or how to make the most of each moment in life. Now, the inspiration for this video actually came from another YouTube video by the channel Abroad in Japan, and this was a documentary about how people had been affected by the tsunami of 2008. And in this documentary talks about how people recovered from it, and one of these people that got my attention particularly was this lady called Ichio. And this lady Ichio and her family had their house destroyed in the 2008 tsunami. So what they did is they moved on. They got on the hustle. They built their house up 12 feet above from where it used to be, so it couldn't be affected by future tsunamis. And they set up this inn, and this inn became very popular among locals. It became the heart of the community. Everyone loved going there, and everything was going really, really well for this woman's life. But then, sadly, about 9 years later, tragedy struck. Her husband, her son, and her daughter-in-law went out on a fishing trip, and sadly the boat capsized and they all died. They were just taken away like that. And Ichio didn't really know if she wanted to continue with the inn, but she kept on going. She persevered through it. And if you look at this lady, you would not think that she'd been through all of this horrible tragedy. She looks like, I'll show you, I'll link the video down. She looks so happy, she's so heartwarming. She's got this really warm aura around her. She wants you to feel good. And her reason for how she's able to do this, even though all this tragedy has happened, is the Japanese saying Ichigo Ichi, once in a lifetime opportunity. And when she meets someone, she acts like it's the last ever time she'll see them. She'll never see them again. And she puts on her best smile, wants to make them feel as good as possible. So even if that is the last time she ever meets them, they'll feel really good about it. And she also talks about how even though all these tragic things happened in the past, she doesn't like to look back on the past, nor does she like to expect too much from the future, as if it ends up how she didn't expect it, she could be upset. She just likes to remain in the present, to enjoy living, like being present in the moment. And that way she feels like she can keep on going, even though all of this stuff has happened. And that really stuck with me. I thought, that makes sense. You know, you shouldn't really be dwelling on your past failures, even past successes. You shouldn't be thinking back, because you can't control the past, nor should you expect too much from the future, because the future, that's also out of your controls. Both future and past are intangible. You can't touch them. But the thing that you can control is the now, here, right now, present. They call it present for a reason. It's great to have it. You can control that, which is amazing. So you should really try to be as present as possible in every moment. And I like to apply Ichio's philosophy here. Every person you meet, act like is the last time you'll ever see that person. Would you want to meet, say, like your parents and have a fight with them, not get on the best terms, and then say they died? That'd be the last thing they ever saw. Or would you want to be the person that you made them feel really, really good? You're just like, I love you. You're like, you made them feel like family. And then if they died, at least you would have that sense of closure. You'd be like, I treated them as well as I possibly could. I treated it as like the last time I ever would see them. And you should apply that to all people in your life. Also, Ichigo Ichi, once in a lifetime opportunity. Each moment is individual. You will never see that again. So if you have a chance to do something, say take a risk, go for that job opportunity, talk to that person, I don't know, apply for the lotto, go for it, because it may never ever happen again. It is a once off moment in time. It will never happen again. The wind could be different, the light could be different, weather, people, you will never ever experience that moment again. So as a lot of people like to say, YOLO, you only live once, just go for it. And on that note, boys, I think I shall end the video. So yeah, basically, be as present as you can in the moment. Treat every moment like it's your last. When you're dealing with people, again, the same. Treat it like it's the last time you'll ever see them. Make them feel as good as possible, or as bad as possible if you don't like them. And if there's any opportunities in life, just take them. You may never ever see them again. So just go for YOLO. But yeah, thank you for being here again, guys. I'm glad to see that many of my subscribers have still stayed, even though I've disappeared off for 3 months. And I really, really appreciate that, guys. I will see you guys again in another video, hopefully in a week, month, a year. Who knows? But anyway, peace out, boys.
Here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do.